Hello, hello, hello. Not me from camera. This is fun. Hey everyone. Whew. Bless me. I know ours nasa Philippines. I'm currently in Dublin right now. Doing rehearsals for Work the World. Gina-jet lag ako. Grabe. I have an hour break. Sumamit muna ako ng hotel. $11 p.m. Okay. Tipla lang ako ng tsaa. We're doing rehearsals today for Work the World. I've been up since 6 a.m. today. And it's now 4 p.m. and I have an hour break. So I'm gonna take advantage of that and make the most out of it. Rest, tsaa, kain. Oh, don't forget the sugar. May araw today, nakakaloka. Wait, pakita ko sa inyo. Ito ang aking room tour. Ayan. Bed. Ang gulo ng gamit ko. Galing ako rehearsals. And then, charin. Ang aking mga luggages. Surprisingly, 3 luggages lang ang dala ko today. Bath. Okay, anyways. Ito naman yung labas. Pero ito buksan naman talaga. Naligaw pa. Naligaw pa nga sa loob ng kwarto, di ba? Ay, paano to? The fuck? Bawal. Nagberanda pa kayo kung bawal buksan, di ba? Hindi ko lang alam paano buksan. Alam mo, bahala na dyan. Ito, basta ito. Ayan. Diba? Halatang nasa Europe na ako kasi malungkot. Napakalungkot-lungkot ng weather dito talaga. Tsaa muna. Tsaa sandwich and cookies. And of course, vitamin juice. Saan ko lalagay ito? Diba? Ito yung kilikili ko. Miss you guys. I miss you guys so much. Kita-kita na lang tayo sa... Kailan ba? June? June ba ako babalik ng Pilipinas? Parang June ata. It's Miss Icy. I cannot wait to see you. I'm opening for you in Amsterdam. I'll see you soon. I'm in Dublin right now. Ang gulo ng Pilipinas nung wala ka. Ano man nangyari dyan? Hindi na ba tuloy ang show sa 30? Alam nyo, hindi ko rin alam. Nakita ko lang yung mga messages ninyo and yung mga tweets. Pero hindi ko pa natatanong kasi kailangan ko munang aralin yung mga choreography kasi ang dami kong aaralin. So, update ko kayo soon. Dapat sila mag-update sa inyo, hindi ako kayo organizer. Ba't sa akin kayo nagtatanong? What do you think of the whole Beyond Limits fiasco? Girl, they fucked up. Kailangan na magbayad. Ang dami nilang pinagkakautangan. So, hindi pwedeng, hindi pwede yun. No? Bring back the power to the queens. Hindi pwede yung ganyan, ha? Ako, ginugulangan nyo ang drag community at ang drag fans. Mali iyan. Mali iyan. Mali talagang ginugulangan. No? I mean, nagpapakahirap yung queens na, alam mo yun, nagpapakahirap yung queens, yung totoong supporters ng drag community na buhayin yung drag community sa Philippines. And then, malalaman natin mayroong mga ganyang klase ng mga tao na, grabe, paano nila nagagawa yan? Paano sila nakakatulog, no? Ng matiwasay every night kung ganyan sila. Ewan ko ba? Donate ka para mabayaran. Bakit? Ako ba yung ng loko? Hindi, pero like I always say, keep supporting your queens. Is Young Beyond Limits, isang producer lang naman yan. And sobrang dami pang mga trustworthy na mga producers ng mga shows sa Philippines and across Asia. Kasi yun yung pinunteriya niya talaga. Kapal ng mukha talaga. Oo. Naiimbay ako talaga. Oo. Marami pa namang mga trustworthy na mga producers dito sa Philippines. So, please supportahan niyo pa rin yung mga local queens natin. Small shows to large-scale shows, whatever. Hindi deserve ng local drag community natin na ginugulangan. Okay? So, Beyond Limits versus the world. Alam mo, Beyond Limits versus kamatayan dapat, ganun. Away sila ni kamatayan. Samaan sila ng ugali. Oy, pumunta kayo dun sa free concert ni Maxi, ah. Meron daw, diba? I think nag-post na, hindi ko na nakita kanina, pero I think Maxi will have a free concert for the day 2 holders ng Maxiverse. And then I think they're gonna sell the general admission open for the public. So, nagsasaw ka ng tinapay sa kape. Yes! Pandesal sa kape. Pinindot si Anger. Anong pinindot? Saan? Sa MOA Amphitheater ata. MOA Amphitheater ba? MOA Amphitheater, yung free concert ni Maxi para dun sa mga Day 2 Maxiverse holders. Ticket holders. And then, yung Gen Ad, i-open nila for public. I think, parang ganon. Good morning. It's afternoon na here. It's 4 p.m. Bakit canceled ang Cebu show? Alam nyo, yan din ang hindi ko masasagot ngayon. Dahil kahit ako hindi ko alam. Dahil ang mga kasama ko today ay dancers. So, ayun. Abang-abang tayo ng update. Kasi kahit ako, I really wanna perform in Cebu. Kasi it's been a while since I last performed there. And wala na masyadong mga promoters sa Cebu na gustong kumuha sa akin kasi sawang-sawa na sila sa akin. So, ayaw akong dalhin dyan sa Cebu eh. Will you be performing again this year's Love Laban? Depende kung nandyan ako. Or depende kung may kasabay na show. Kasi ang hirap pumunta ng Love Laban. Last year, doon ako nag-pride sa sasakyan. G-Rap. Magkakaroon ka ba ulit ng drag exhibit? Abang-abang. Your merch will be available during Work the World. Just prints. I only have signed prints for Work the World. Kasi, sobrang limited ng bags na pwede namin madala. So, asan ka na? I'm in. There's something in my nose. Oh, sorry. Kasi nagbago na naman yung malamig na naman. So, saan ang future shows mo? Hindi ko na rin alam eh. Basta Work the World. Australia. And then I'm doing North America. I think half of the year. I mean, half of the legs. Parang September, mid-September until the end. Human hair po ba yung wig mo? Hindi yan wig. Yan o, anit yan o. Hindi yan wig, gaga kayo. Buhok ko yan. Naganto lang ako kasi pag nagre-rehearse. Ayan o. Wig ko yan. Hindi yan wig. Buhok ko yan. Akin lahat yan. Akin lang lahat yan. Please do your vlogs again. Wala akong time. Parang hindi travel siya. Oo. Maganda yung hotel ko ngayon. Maganda rin yung banyo. Parang din akong veranda. Pero, susulitin ko na to kasi in the next coming days, in the next coming cities, puro na kami bus. Tour bus na naman kami. So, papakita ko ulit sa inyo kung paano yung life namin on the bus. Kasama ko today si Sasha Velour, Roxy Andrews, Derek Barry, Jada Essence Hall, Vanjie, and then me. Kaming anim. Kasama kami kanina. Pero nagwalay-walay na kami kasi tapos na yung mga group performances namin. So, are you in Dublin for the show? Yes, I am in Dublin for Work the World. See you on Sunday, yes. What's your condish? Anong condish? Kondo? Condish? Yung pagkain? Sayang, cancelled naman nila show. Cancelled na ba talaga? Like, wain ng pag-asa. Cream silk. Conditioner. Cream silk. Cream silk. Pero ang gamit ko ngayon is yung gold. Kasi, kailangan ko ng pampasmooth and pampastraight ng hair. Kasi wala naman akong hair fall. So, mas yung strands yung inaalagaan ko ngayon with the conditioner. So, hindi naman siya nagbe-break at all. So, bakit wala ka sa ball? Kasi nandito ako. Nandyan kayo. Ikaw lang mag-isa. I don't have your team with you. Yes, I'm all alone. Mag-isa lang. Are you going to Iloilo this June? I think so. I think so. Are you in Dublin? Meron bang Filipino restaurant dito sa Dublin? Yung mga Pilipino na magme-meet and greet. Mag-e-expect ako ng adobo. Mag-e-expect ako ng adobo. Tsaka kanin. Gusto ko yung pagkain nila dito, dear. Oh. Sandwich. Na pagkatigas-tigas. Sa Europe na naman tayo. Papayat na naman ako nito lalo. Try mo yung well hair na hair mask. Sige. Sinigang na hipon. Ang hirap kainin yan eh. Were you in LA, ganda? No, I am in Dublin right now, Miss G Tonji. I gave you rice for your travels. Hindi ako makakapagluto, dear. Hindi ako makakapagluto right now. Pero, alam nyo, may chance kasi yung tour bus naman, working naman yung kitchen niya. So, when are you back in LA? I don't know. I think, probably August-ish. We'll see. Miss G. I'll let you know if I'm in LA. There's a Filipino restaurant in Dublin. It's cooked rice, no need to microwave it. Ah! I should have. Pero kasi, yung luggages ko, as in, 23. Like, wala, ngayon na talaga siya. Shiitake rice on the go. Masarap ba yung shiitake rice? Shirataki rice? Hindi ba siya parang Peking rice? Peking rice? May Peking rice ba? Can't wait to see you in Paris. I can't wait to come to Paris soon. I'm doing a show this April in Paris for Work the World, but I'm also going to be doing my solo tour in Paris. I'm doing, I think, 3 shows, if I'm not mistaken, in Paris. So, or 1 in Paris and 1 in Montpellier. I have a book for Amsterdam Pride this year. When is Amsterdam Pride? Masarap yun, makaso pang keto. Ang alin? Yung shirataki rice. So, wala forced keto diet ako ngayon dito dahil nga walang kanin. Medyo may kamahalan lang pero masarap ang shirataki. Ang sarap mag-tsaa. Dami napagod ako. Ano bang tamang term for full of nutrients na food? Healthy or helpful? Healthy full na lang para walang ano. Hi, Kevin! Jet lag na ako, mga dear. Naantok na ako. Come to London with your tour. Hindi na kaya ng oras. Pero I'm doing London for Work the World. So, doon na lang tayo magkita-kita. Hindi pa ako makakapag-rest dahil nga may rehearsal pa ako in like 20 minutes. 1 hour na ba yun? Admiration from Bangkok. Kapungka! Pero maraming mangyayari this year. Kung ako sa inyo, abang-abang na lang kasi medyo maraming mangyayari sa buhay ko this year. So, abang-abang. Alam nyo na yun. Alam nyo na yun. Basta abang-abang. Natutuwa ako kasi yung mga nakaplano this year, medyo iconic. Medyo pasabog. Kung akala nyo pasabog na yung last year, mas OA yung this year. Kasi, syempre last year, everything is because of Work the World, because of UK versus the world, diba? This year it's just like maintaining that that momentum and keeping that momentum going. It's about making the most out of that drag race craze, diba? So this year, it's gonna be a lot this year. So happy ako. Marami ring mga non-drag related na mga projects. So I'm really, really, really happy. I mean, drag related siya, pero essentially that yung mga kung saan, basta kung ano yung gagawin ko, hindi siya drag related, pero I'm bringing drag into it. So abang-abangs. Oh my god, Blush. Everyone, go follow It's Blush. She's one of the prettiest drag queens I have ever seen in my entire life. I haven't seen her live, but her photos and videos are crazy. She needs to be locked up. Blush needs to be locked up. Have you ever considered theater projects po or acting? Just wondering. I did. I already did. Earlier this year, for 2 months, I did Wizard of Oz as Glinda. I did Glinda for 2 months, so I think that's theater and acting. That could be considered as it. Yes. Everyone follow Blush. She's on my mood board. She's so pretty. Yep. And when I start taking hormones, I want to look like her. If that happens, I want to look like Blush. If I don't look like Blush, I'm stopping the hormones. Come to New York. I'm not sure if I'm in New York for Work the World US. Am I? I'm not sure. Can we give you letters or gifts during tour? Of course, anything that you like to give na safe, na hindi rin nakakabutas ng bills ng bulsa. Ganon. Sayang wala ka sa ABS-CBN Ball. I know, I got the invite, but I can't make it there because I'm here. Ano yung team sa ABS-CBN Ball this year nga? I forgot. Pero may nakita ko online, ang ganda nung kay Maris, kay Nadine. Sumali ba siya Nadine? Pero yung suot niya Nadine ang ganda. Sa latest post niya. Spring. Sino nakaisip niyan? Sorry. Do you know why they canceled the Work the World Tour in the Philippines? I also don't know. Honestly, hindi ko kayo masagot. See you in Canada sa October. See you there. See you. Basta I think I'm doing September 14th, if not September 13th onwards. So that's when you're gonna see me in Work the World. Have you seen Staycation in Iloilo by Dread the Drag Queens ma? Ano yun? What is that? I'm in Dublin right now. Currently in Dublin. Aren't you going to be in Dublin? I'm already here. See you in Bacolod. Yes, I'll see you in Bacolod. Ang dami kong regional performances this June. So, abang-abang. Ikakasal na daw sister mo, ma. Sino? Mama, what's the story behind your staple jewelry pieces? Anong staple jewelry pieces? This one? This one ba? Or ito? Ito. I don't know. Or this one, too. Si Eva, ikakasal na. Saan? May jowa ba si Eva? Prena or Evasius? Ano yung Prena? Sino yung Prena? Ang dami naman ka-love team ni Precious. Gustuhin din eh. Gustuhin din yung nakshi ko na yan eh, no? Daming ka-love team eh, no? Ikakasal ng Evasius sa LU. Hindi pa rin nila tinigil yan. Go! Precious siya ka Hana. Kaya Prena. Tangina, Hana? Marina's not invited. Kahit naman invited ako dyan, hindi ako pupunta. Yaan mo sila dyan. Sorry. Prena yung sangre. Oo nga. Okay. Check mo Twitter. Sige, mag-check ako sa Twitter. Anyways, I have to go soon. Freshen up lang ako saglit. And then I'll see you guys very soon. Baka mag-live ulit ako. I don't know, later or tomorrow. But I'll bring you with me. Bye!